Hey guys, I'm Lion and welcome to my channel. Today I will not make one thing but four. Three for my Viking costume and one for another costume. The first thing will be a kind of lace for my pants. And for that I will use a lot of fake leather. The second thing will be a sheath for my axe. Now, the third thing. As you see for my Viking costume, I use iron arm protection. It looks cool, but I will make a night cosplay soon and I will use this arm protection, this helmet and this sword. So I will make new arm protection for my Viking costume. And this time not in iron, in leather. It looks very cool. As I said about 2 minutes ago, I will make a night costume, and for that I will need to make a sheath for the sword. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you will share and subscribe, and if you want to see how I made the rest of the costume, check my channel.